Hello and welcome to our channel where we help you live a happier and more fulfilling life. In today's video, we will be discussing the power of positive thinking and sharing tips and strategies that can help you cultivate a more positive mindset. First, let's define positive thinking. Positive thinking is the practice of focusing on the good in life and approaching challenges with an optimistic outlook. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities and looking for opportunities for growth and learning. One of the benefits of positive thinking is that it can improve your overall well-being. When you focus on the positive, you're less likely to feel anxious or stressed, and you're more likely to feel happier and more content with your life. Another benefit of positive thinking is that it can help you achieve your goals. When you approach challenges with an optimistic outlook, you're more likely to persist in the face of setbacks and keep working towards your goals. So how can you cultivate a more positive mindset? One way is to practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Another way to cultivate positivity is to surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with friends and family who uplift you and support your goals. It's also important to take care of your physical health. Exercise, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep to help boost your mood and energy levels. Another tip for cultivating positivity is to challenge negative self-talk. When you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, challenge them with positive affirmations. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also be helpful in cultivating positivity. These practices can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and learn to approach them with greater compassion and positivity. One of the keys to maintaining a positive mindset is to practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, and learn to forgive yourself when you make mistakes. Another way to cultivate positivity is to focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your successes and recognize the positive qualities you bring to the world. It's also important to set realistic goals for yourself. When you set achievable goals, you're more likely to feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Taking time for yourself and engaging in activities you enjoy can also help cultivate positivity. Whether it's reading a good book or going for a walk in nature, find activities that bring you joy and make time for them regularly. Another way to cultivate positivity is to practice kindness and generosity towards others. When you give back to others, it can help boost your own mood and sense of well-being. Remember that cultivating positivity is a practice. It takes time and effort to shift your mindset and develop a more positive outlook. But with persistence and commitment, it is possible to cultivate greater positivity in your life. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in cultivating a more positive mindset. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell to receive notifications when we post new videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.